This is, what time is it, Barky?
10:40.
So it's 10:40 and this place is already clearing out. Look at that. Everybody's leaving, and there's some people going over to European exotic cars, which is on the other end of the shopping center. Hey Parky, I want to ask this if any of these guys have, these are originals. I don't even know. I can't tell by looking at them.
Oh, okay.
So let me. Are any of these guys originals?
No.
They're all kits? Okay.
None of them are originals.
Yeah, well, yeah, I was wondering. I can't spot what, I don't know how to tell whether it's an original or not.
Well, they try to make them look as original as possible.
Well, yeah, I know, and there's a.
It's a Pantera.
If I'd have to pull a Pantera up. Look at those wheels. Those are pretty rad. Pantera's got a Ford drivetrain, but it looks like a Lotus, I guess, or a.
Sammy, look, you made it.
I don't know. What is it? It looks like a Pantera. That's the thing. They're very, very unique. So I'll have to pull one up and show it to you. GT4 RS. That's an expensive Porsche.
250.
Yeah.
It's based on the smaller body.
Yeah. V8. What is your Benz pushing horsepower and torque wise?
805.
805. Wow. Is that stock?
It is.
Wow.
And 1,047 torque.
So this is definitely the highest output Mercedes from the factory.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
What's the 0 to 60 like? Like 3.2?
2.4.
2.4. Wow.
Car and driver hit 2.4.
Yeah. So the only thing faster is going to be the ZR1X1.
And
Which
it's
is
all-wheel drive.
Yeah, that
Four-wheel
helps a
steering,
lot.
so it hooks up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I bet that's fun. I told myself I'd never buy another Mercedes after my SL600, but I would, if I came across one of these for a deal, I might have to buy it.
Yeah.
So, all right, have a good one, man. I'll see you probably next week or the week after.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
800 horsepower.
805. What's the torque number again? 1,047. So it must be a twin turbo V8, right? Yeah. Because you could never get that much torque out of a V6 or anything else.
And it's a hybrid.
Right. Oh, it's got the electric
It's got a
motors.
rear electric
Okay.
motor, which assists with that. It's
How, what, 200 or 300 horsepower? 200?
Yeah, added to
And the
that.
battery's tiny, right? 15 kilowatts or something?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there's a McLaren over there. So I had no idea people left so early.
Yeah.
Just like in and out. Oh, I don't know. Probably 200-ish. I don't know. I mean, Mercedes can't charge that much for their cars because they're pieces of shit,
Yeah.
right? So, yeah, no, nobody wants a fucking Mercedes that's out of warranty. So it just, and that's what he told me earlier. He's like, I don't want this car after it's out of warranty. He's gonna get rid of it.
Oh, it's brand new.
Yeah. So he's probably leasing it, writing 100% of it off. I don't know, but
You ever get a Lambo?
Lambos are classics to me. So I mean, I always wanted a Lambo when I was a kid. When I saw Gumball Rally for the first time, so of course I would get one if I could. I like the Revolut though, but it's so expensive.
Well, yeah, they're like 800,000.
Yeah. So I mean, that one is a badass car. So that Porsche is cool. That one right there. But yeah, I don't know if I don't think I would ever buy one just because I don't want to take care of a car like that. It's too expensive.
Not a good daily driver.
No, and it's not, and you got to do stuff to it all the time. Look at this Bugatti. Oh wow, I haven't seen one of those in person ever.
Probably a couple mil.
Yeah, I know. I didn't realize this was a 918 Spider, guys. Sorry, I probably walked right by it earlier. And this is a very, very rare car that's no longer made. And it was the fastest car in the world when it came out. It's like 906 horsepower or something, and really high torque too, and it's the first EV I think that Porsche ever made, but exceptionally valuable because they no longer make them. So, oh, look at this G-Wagon with the stretched G-Wagon. Check that thing out. Look at this interior. Wow. Carbon. I'm getting down there.
Water bottle.
Yeah, no, I won't be banging my water bottle on a car like this because it's probably cost me $1,000 just to buff out my scuff. Look at this Brabus G-Wagon over here. These things are nuts. Look at that thing, it's nuts. Look at that, compared to Parks is like 6'1", and he's like, that thing makes him look small. Wow, let's look at the interior. Pretty crazy. I can't see that because it's above my head. What's that? Oh yeah, look at that suspension. Very crazy. Let's check out the suspension on this one. No, they were built by the same guy. Well, of course they were, right? Who else is going to do something like this? Six by six. There we go. All right. All right. So this is the organization that sets this up. These are the cars leaving. Parky's driving us around here. Yeah, he says keep your eyes open. I know what he's talking about, and you will soon too. Those big old ceramic brakes.
You might be right. I don't know as much about.
Yeah, I mean, dude, get an Aventador if you can't get the GR GT. That would be super cool. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Because you can get like an SV. You could get like an SV for way less than a lot of the other ones. Because there's a lot of them. They're not that much, are they?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Can you get a lower end model that's not so crazy expensive?
A Lambo SVJ?
Yeah. I think it's just SV.
These are pretty good, right?
I don't know. I don't know much about Lambos.
No, these are Fords.
Oh, is that the GT?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I didn't even recognize it. Yeah, the GTs are pretty rare. It's supposed to be a really fun car. There was a few of these at Cars and Coffee, but this one's super tricked out. Yeah. Well, you could probably find one of these. It like has a lot of miles on it for a decent price. Because a lot of people drove these a lot. Yeah, I mean, you got to look around. Just don't be too emotional. I really like those wheels.
They're $1 million.
Are they really?
Yeah.
They were a lot less when they were new,
900.
I think. There's that Ferrari with the Cerakote wheels. And I might be totally wrong about that, but I think that's what they are. I really like that Cerakote color though. The natural Cerakote comes out that color. Beautiful car, but not a good car. The old Jaguar. Cool car.
New, they're 500. They've doubled.
Yeah, exactly. You want to walk that way or which way?
It's only this section.
Okay. I think we've pretty much seen everything. Everybody seems to be leaving.
So my buddy works for Lexus, marketing guy.
Right?
They give him a list. The new,
GRGT. Yeah.
well, not the GRGT. He goes,
Oh,
"Don't
there's
get
another
that
one? Is there
He goes, get the Lexus.
LFR or whatever?
Exactly.
So they're actually going to make that? I didn't think they were actually going to make it. They're actually going to make that. Back up. That's so we'll see if it. Did he say that they're going to make it?
He said it was going to be all electric.
It's
It's going to be a hybrid, looks like. Better. LFA.
But they're not going to call it LFA, right? Because the LFA is the old classic that they made in 2009 or earlier, maybe earlier than that. Yeah, I think they stopped. They made the LFA, I think, in 2008 and 9 or something like that. They only made a certain small number of them. Okay, guys, I don't think there's anything else to see. I'm going to shut down the video, I think. You want to walk way over there and see if there's something over there?
Yeah, walk wherever.
Okay, because it looks like everybody's left over here except motorcycles.
See my steps in.
Yeah, well, there's that crazy looking Beamer over there. Right there. Crazy paint color, but yeah, let's walk over there because I haven't even gone over there and everybody's leaving already. How much do these things cost? Yeah, it's crazy. What do these things cost, Parky? I'm sure you. What's that?
Those things drop in value so much.
Are they really? Is that a Phantom or is it something else?
Ghost.
It's a Ghost? Okay.
English cars, man, suck.
Yeah, I know they're horrible.
Look at the McLaren. They hold their value.
No, you can get a McLaren, the lower, the 570, I want to say, for 140, 150 grand. I just saw one just recently for that price.
It's crazy. 911 keep going up.
Yeah, I know. I just think they're too expensive for what they are now. The 720, this McLaren is still more than that, but the 720.
Hi. You want an energy drink?
Sure. It'll probably blow my head off, but
Go get them out. You want one?
yeah, sure, I'll try it. Oh yeah, I drink a lot of caffeine, but I'm wondering whether this is gonna blow the top of my head off.
No, the difference is it's 200 elements of caffeine and it has some beta-alanine. So beta-alanine.
Yeah, I know what it is.
Yeah.
Yep.
So that's the difference. So,
Okay.
Well, it did get reformulated, so it's the dose is lower on these.
Okay, thanks. You guys will be on my video, so
Oh, okay.
it's on the channel's called Golector. Instead of Collector, it's Golector with a G. So that's what you get a free plug if you give me an energy drink. 0 sugar, that's good. So let's see, what do we got here? Oh, look at that Woody over there. Look at that. Which one are you looking at? Oh yeah, look at that. I didn't even see that. I think this is the car that James Dean died in. I'm not totally sure, but that might be like an aftermarket thing. I don't know. Maybe it isn't. Super clean. It looks like a real one. Yeah, I don't know.
$99,000. That's a replica.
Oh, it's a replica. Okay. Well, if you want it, here you go, people.
Looks cool on the outside.
Yep, and then there's a few. Oh, look at that Hemi Cuda. See, this is a well-known, very, very valuable car. If it's a 429 Hemi, that's probably $1 million car. I don't know. This one probably isn't one because nobody sell. If he was selling it, he wouldn't have to sell it at a car show. It's a 440. See it right on the side. But the 429 version of this car is really, really valuable. This is probably a 71, 72. I don't really know, but
71. Good job, dude.
120K. I don't know if they're worth that much personally because I haven't followed them. But the 429 version of that car is probably $1 million. So wouldn't surprise me. So there's a GTO over there.
They're digital. It's digital. But then you have
So this is the hangout part. I like this. How's it going?
So it looks retro. It looks like
There you go. There's a nice classic for you. Look at that Porsche. It's got it lowered. It's got the old whale's tail on it, the old style one. That's cool.
oh,
GTO. Is that a 72? Is that a 72? 70. What motor?
LS.
Oh, you put an LS in it? Somebody did. Yeah, that's cool. That's always nice to have a modern motor. Oh yeah, look at that.
Well, actually, it needs to jump because bring its battery pack.
Oh, I can jump you too if you
Do you
want.
have a battery pack?
I do.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. So is there somebody coming for you already?
Not coming. He just said he was going to go over. We'll see.
Oh, battery died.
Yeah, I can go grab mine. I'm parked right there.
Oh, okay. That'd be great.
If you want. I'm that silver Lexus right over there.
Yeah, it was just that indoor light. And I left the dog out. And the door didn't shut off.
Oh yeah, mine likes to die too because it has.
I have two of those. I got to just put in the trunk.